Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick how-to video on cleaning the mass airflow sensor. It's going to be on a 2004 Mazda 6. And all you're going to do is there's two screws right here on the top. They are just Phillips head. You're going to go ahead and pull those out. And then there is a clip here, tab, that you just press down on. Oh. It's not going to work. Alright, you know what? We're going to go ahead and do it without disconnecting it. Works just as fine because it's right there. You're just going to need some mass airflow sensor cleaner. You can get it at any part store. And you're just going to take that and the little metal part that you see on there. Just going to go ahead and spray that. Just give it a couple nice little touches. And that's it. Go ahead and let it dry. Give it a second. Don't wipe it down with anything. Just spray it. Let it air dry for a couple minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and reinsert it here. Put the two screws back in. And then you're all done.